Where are you from? No.
I am from Bangladesh. It's
Famous.
a very beautiful place and it's a very beautiful country, my dear friend.
Hi, Jahid Hassan. Welcome. Hi, Julio Soto. And welcome to Capo Show.
Hello, my dear friend. How are you?
How are you? Oh, I'm fine. How are you?
Please tell me how make this recipe.
I made cashew butter. Cashew butter, peanut butter, and mixed nut butter with cashews, peanuts, and almonds.
Your recipe is very good.
Now I've got another one. Okay.
I'm good. And you?
I'm doing good, thank you. I thought we already went through that.
I'm good. What are you doing?
I'm busy doing something at the moment. Why?
Oh, you are busy to your work.
It's none of your business.
Yes. Where are you from?
America.
Good. Today you look fresh.
No, I'm not.
Yes. Uh, I am new here. Uh, I joined this app 2 days ago.
Where you from?